Nothing Phone 3 just debuted in India and the global markets today. The Nothing Phone 3 is one of the most anticipated phones of the year, and it brings a bold redesign alongside several generational spec upgrades. The Glyph interface has evolved into the Glyph Matrix, a monochrome LED display located at the top right corner of the phone's back. Nothing Phone 3 comes in black and white colors. The 12/256GB version will retail for $799 and 79,999 Indian rupees. Phone 3 is built around a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The panel maxes out at 4,500 nits peak. Nothing Phone 3 will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, up to with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The software side is covered by Nothing OS 3.5, based on Android 15. It comes with a triple camera setup, include a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP periscope lens with 3x optical zoom. 50MP selfie camera. Phone 3 packs a 5,150 mAh silicon carbon battery with 65W wired and 15W wireless charging. Pre-orders start on July 4th, while first sales are scheduled for July 15th. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.